I just want to do one more video. One more. I just want to talk just about these gloves to you. No more demonstrations. You've seen my other videos. You've seen how well they handle the heat. I just got done shooting the last one. All right. But look, they're going to come in this box. And pull them out. And I'm going to just kind of show you what you're going to get. All right. Now this here is an insert card. It tells you about our VIP program, tells you how to get your free ebook. Comes with the ebook with its own recipes we put together just to come with the Beast Armor gloves. Okay? So that's the first thing you're going to get. We even give you a recipe right on the inside of this too. All right? Now as you can see, they are beautiful. All right? But that's not why you're getting them. You're getting them because they're going to protect your hands. Okay, so they are made out of Aramid Kevlar fabric on the outside. They are cotton on the inside. And then they have a protective silicone coating to add to the heat protection. The silicone coating also helps with grip. Okay, so things don't slip out of your hands. They also have, as you can see when I put these on, the cuffs are nice and long. Okay, so your wrist, part of your forearm is going to be protected too. One of the big questions we get is, how do you wash these bad boys, right? You know how you wash them? You throw them in the washing machine with your underwear. That's it. Let them air dry though. All right? And that's all I really want to say. Come by our website, get them while we have them in stock. They ship same day, next day. Right now you can get 15% off. Grillmaster15 is the code. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll take care of you, man. Peace out. Don't burn yourself.